Good morning, students. This is your accounts class. Yesterday we have started the chapter issue of share. Is it? We have done some basic terms of issue of share, that what is share capital, and how many parts, how many types are there of share capital, like authorized capital. This is known as registered and nominal capital. Okay, then issued capital, then subscribed capital. Okay, this we have discussed in the previous video lecture. And share, when company invite the public for the share, that company will not call all the money together, है ना? Then company call the money in installments. Maximum 4 installments are there. Share application, that we have also discussed. Share application, share allotment, share first call, and share final call. Okay, then our subject is accounts. Okay, so when these 4 installments company will call from the public and receive from the public, then it's compulsory to record these transactions by passing a journal entry. You know this thing, that by journal entry we can record the any transaction. Okay, so 4 installments are there: share application, share allotment, share first call, and share final call. Okay, like one share of rupees 10, nominal value is of share is rupees 10. Okay, so company, if there is starting of a company, अभी company start ही हुई है, then company have to prepare its market, है ना? company को अपनी market बनानी होती है. Therefore that company can issue its share only at that nominal value. 10 का अगर एक शेयर है, then company can issue that share on 10 rupees. Okay, after that जैसे जैसे कंपनी की रेपुटेशंस बनती जाती है मार्केट में, then company can issue its share on premium. कंपनी जो है उसको प्रीमियम मीन्स मोर देन फेस वैल्यू, मोर देन नॉमिनल वैल्यू. ओके, नॉमिनल वैल्यू इज फेस वैल्यू इज सेम थिंग. तो कंपनी अपना शेयर 10 से ज्यादा पर भी इशू कर सकती है. दैट कंडीशन इज नोन एज इशू ऑफ शेयर एट प्रीमियम. व्हाट डू यू कॉल? इशू ऑफ शेयर एट प्रीमियम. इफ कंपनी issue its share at nominal value, then it's called issue of share at par. This is at par. If company issue its share 10 की बजाय at 15, nominal value is 10, but company issue its share in market at rupees 15, then this is 10 plus 5. This 5 rupees of premium. This is known as issue of share at premium. Okay, that is the second condition. Today we will do when company issue share at par, then which journal entry will be passed. Like on application, company has divided these 10 rupees in 4 installment. 3 rupees on application, 2 rupees on allotment, and 3 rupees on first call, and 2 rupees on share final call. So what is the procedure of issue of share? That company first of all give advertisement in newspaper that this company invite the public for purchasing the share at this value. Okay, you can fill your application form till this date, and your application form with application money submit in this bank account, in the company account. ओके, तो वो पर्सन क्या करते हैं, उस कंपनी अकाउंट में जाकर कंपनी के अकाउंट में विद एप्लीकेशन मनी दे विल डिपॉजिट देयर एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कौन सी ट्रांजैक्शन हुई? दैट कंपनी रिसीव द एप्लीकेशन मनी. ओके, फॉर दैट जर्नल एंट्री विल बी पास बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू शेयर एप्लीकेशन अकाउंट. Bank account debit to share application account. Okay. After that, well, at the last date, company count their application, that how much application company has received. So minimum application should be the 90% of the issued capital. That also we have discussed in the previous video lecture, that if company has invited the public for 1 lakh shares, then 90%, it means when company receive minimum application should be received 90,000. ओके जब अगर कंपनी 90,000 से कम एप्लीकेशन रिसीव करती है, देन कंपनी हैव टू रिफंड द एप्लीकेशन मनी टू द पब्लिक विदिन 30 days. ओके, तो इफ लाइक वी आर रिज्यूमिंग द नॉर्मल कंडीशंस दैट कंपनी हैज रिसीव 1 लाख एप्लीकेशन, 1 लाख के लिए ही इनवाइट किया था एंड कंपनी हैज रिसीव्ड 1 लाख एप्लीकेशंस. Okay, 3 rupees with each application, then company has received rupees 3 lakh. In amount column we will write the 3 lakh. For that you will prepare the proper form of journal, 5 column. Okay, in amount column you will write 3 lakh. Okay, this is the first journal entry. After that, company that application money, see from the his account that how much application, then company allot the share to that applicant. कंपनी ने 1 lakh applications मांगी थी, that company has received, then company allot these 1 lakh shares. allot मतलब देना, ठीक है, to the applicant. उनको शेयर अलॉट कर देगी एंड विद दैट अलॉटमेंट मनी कॉल, और साथ के साथ नेक्स्ट इंस्टॉलमेंट उससे कॉल कर लेगी दैट योर एप्लीकेशन इज एक्सेप्टेड एंड यू हैव टू अलॉटेड दीज शेयर्स. ठीक है, तो एप्लीकेशन मनी, अलॉटमेंट मनी, फर्स्ट कॉल मनी, फाइनल कॉल मनी, दीज आर द पार्ट्स ऑफ शेयर कैपिटल. ठीक है, शेयर की जो मनी होती है दैट इज नोन एज शेयर कैपिटल. तो कंपनी क्या करती है, कंपनी ट्रांसफर दिस शेयर एप्लीकेशन मनी टू शेयर कैपिटल अकाउंट. फॉर दिस सेकेंड जर्नल एंट्री, शेयर एप्लीकेशन अकाउंट डेबिट टू शेयर कैपिटल अकाउंट 3 lakh. If any specific type of share is given to you, 2 type of share, equity and preference share. Okay, if it is given that equity share, then you can write here equity share capital. If it's given that it's a preference share, then you can write here 2 preference share capital. Okay, only with the share capital, not with the application and allotment first call account. Okay, so this is the second journal entry. Now company call the allotment money. For this journal entry will be passed share allotment account debit to share capital account. You can use abbreviation S dot for the share. Okay, to share capital account. Share allotment is a representative personal account that represent all the shareholder from whom company is demanding the allotment money. ठीक है, तो हमें इनसे मनी लेनी है. सो वी विल डेबिट द शेयर अलॉटमेंट अकाउंट, किस चीज की, ऑफ द शेयर कैपिटल टू शेयर कैपिटल अकाउंट. ओके, यू कैन राइट द रेशन ड्यू अलॉटमेंट मनी. ड्यू मीन्स मंगवाई, ड्यू अलॉटमेंट मनी. आफ्टर दैट कंपनी विल रिसीव द अलॉटमेंट मनी. फॉर दैट जर्नल एंट्री विल बी पास बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू शेयर allotment account. कंपनी विल रिसीव 2 lakh. 2 lakh ही मंगवाएगी कंपनी, 2 lakh. In amount column we will write 2 lakh. So these 2 journal entry will be passed for the allotment. Okay. After that, whenever whichever date is decided by the company, on that date company call the first call. For that journal entry, share first call account debit to share capital account. How much? 1 lakh shares are there total and 3 rupees per share. Then company will call 3 lakh. You can write the narration due first call money. After that, company receive the first call money. For that journal entry will be passed bank account debit to share first call account. How much that company has called, जितनी कंपनी ने मंगवाई थी, that money will be received by the company. You can write the narration. Receive first call money. Okay, now company call the final call, share final call account debit to share capital account 2 rupees per share and total share of 1 lakh, then company will call that rupees 2 lakh. Okay, due the final call money, due final call money. After that company will receive the final call money. For that journal entry will be pass bank account debit to share final call account. How much? Same 2 lakh. Okay, so these are 8 basic journal entry, 2 for application, 2 for allotment, 2 for first call and 2 for final call. So these are the 8 basic journal entry that company will pass in the normal condition in at the time of issue of share. Okay, there are so many conditions in the question that we will do in this chapter, that if company will receive more than 1 lakh application, then what we will add in these journal entry. देखो ये तो 8 basic journal entry that must will be passed in every question. इसके साथ कुछ ना कोई अकाउंट जो है वो ऐड हो जाएगा अकॉर्डिंग टू द सिचुएशन दैट इज गिवन टू यू इन द क्वेश्चन. सो दीज आर द बेसिक जर्नल एंट्रीज, 2 for application, 2 for allotment, first call and final call. If company will receive all the money that company has called and all the applications company has received, that company invite to the public. So these are 4 installment and 2 journal entry for each installment. Okay, you have to learn. We will do by practice. You automatically you can learn these 8 basic journal entry. Okay, ठीक है. After that, I have told you that if company issue the share at premium, then which we will add in these 8 basic journal entry. Before that, I want to tell that sometime in question share issue expense are given to you, that some 10,000 expense are there. For that you will pass simple journal entry that share issue expense account debit to cash or bank account. That how much is given to you, say it's 50,000, you can write here 50,000. Okay, sometime it's given to you that company promoters, company has issued share to the promoters for their remuneration. Promoters क्या होते हैं? जिनके माइंड में कंपनी बनाने का आइडिया आता है. Okay, they have started the company but they haven't invested the money, only they are the like a employee. Okay, so when company, तो उसके बदले में उनको जो remuneration दिया जाता है, they have registered the company, they have make all the formalities regarding to the registration of the company. For that company give some share to the promoters. For that journal entry will be passed that registration charges, otherwise you can say that registration charges or promotion charges. Or formation expense. You can write everything. Formation expense account debit to share capital. कंपनी उनको क्या दे रही है? शेयर दे रही है. Then to share capital account. Company is not paying cash to them for their remuneration. Okay. So one thing, formation expense is better. So you can write here only that formation expense account debit to share capital. Keep only one thing, ज़्यादा learn करोगे तो then you will be confused. Okay, formation expense account debit to share capital. Okay, these are the extra journal entry. If sometime it's given to you in the question that at the end, after that these 8 journal entry you will pass this. Okay, okay. Now we are doing that if company issue its share on premium, then company, that premium is given to you, that 10 rupees share issue at 20, 15, 13, 14, how much? More than 10. This depend on company position, that how much premium company will take. One thing more, that every company cannot issue its share on premium. For that some conditions are there, that if company जो है वो company has issued its share only in premium after the establishment of 2 years. Okay. Yes. So after 2 years, after now this, it was earlier before the 2013. Now there is no any restrictions on any company to issue share at a premium. Okay. Now which journal entry will be changed when company issued share on premium? Like company issued share 10 rupees face value share, company issued at rupees 15. Then this 5 rupees premium company can add with any installment. 1 rupees सबके साथ भी ऐड कर सकती है. 5 के 5 रुपीज विद एप्लीकेशन, विद अलॉटमेंट, विद फर्स्ट कॉल, विद फाइनल कॉल, किसी के साथ भी एक इंस्टॉलमेंट के साथ हॉल प्रीमियम कैन बी एडेड. 2 rupees with application, 3 rupees allotment, this can be do. That depend on company, and that is given to you in the question, that you have to add this premium with which installment. If it is not given in the question that premium is with which installment, then automatically you have to add full premium with allotment. Then company will call 7 rupees with allotment in place of rupees 2. Then which journal entry will be passed? This 5 rupees of premium we will transfer one special account. We will open one new account, that is security premium reserve account. Security premium reserve account. Okay, company will transfer the amount of premium that is given to you, that we will transfer not in share capital, not in any another account, that we will transfer to the security premium reserve account. Okay, so when company will call these 5 rupees with allotment, then 7 rupees company will call, then allotment money how much it will be? 7 rupees. 1 per share 7 rupees, and for 1 lakh share it's 7 lakh. Then which journal entry will be passed for this? Share allotment account debit. I should rub this. Share allotment account debit to share capital account to security premium reserve account. That is always credit, because this is the profit of company. Okay, the company is demanding total amount of rupees 7 lakh. So share allotment account debit will be debit with rupees 7 lakh. To share capital, how much money is related to capital? Total allotment money is 2 plus 5. 2 rupees of capital and 5 rupees of premium. So in capital 2 lakh and in premium 5 lakh. So this journal entry will be passed when company demand call the security premium reserve amount with allotment, then share allotment account debit to share capital to security premium reserve account. This account always will be credit. Okay. And when company will receive, now company will receive how much money? 7 lakh. Then bank account debit to share allotment. In place of 2 lakh, we will write 7 lakh. Clear? ठीक है? अच्छा, now I will tell you, then company will call 2 rupees with application and 3 rupees with allotment. Then application money was 3, 2 rupees of premium, 5 rupees हो गया application के, and allotment money earlier it was 2 rupees, now 3 rupees of premium. ठीक है? तो 5 rupees premium company has divided in 2 installment, 2 rupees with application and 3 rupees with allotment. ठीक है? Then which journal entry will be passed? Now company will receive with application 5 rupees. Okay? Then बैंक, इसमें बैंक अकाउंट रिसीव की एंट्री पहले होती है एप्लीकेशन में. ओके? देन कंपनी विल रिसीव 5 lakh. बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू शेयर एप्लीकेशन 5 lakh. Then share application account debit. That money we will transfer in share capital. How much? Share capital की कितनी मनी है? 3 per share. That we will transfer into share capital account 3 lakh. And premium money 2 per share. 2 lakh premium money we will transfer to the 2 security premium reserve account. 2 lakh. Okay? And here in place of premium 5 lakh earlier, now 3 lakh premium. Total money 5 lakh. Then how much money company will receive? 5 lakh. That whatever condition is given to you in the question, that how the premium is called by the company with 1 installment, otherwise company divided the premium money in 2 installment. Okay? अगर first call के साथ मंगवा रही है, then share first call account debit to share capital to security premium reserve account. Okay? So one thing keep in mind, that security premium reserve account always credit with share capital. With share capital account. Okay? जब कंपनी कैपिटल की मनी कॉल करेगी, then only company will call the premium amount. So that's why security premium reserve account always credit with share capital account. Okay? So this is the basic journal entries when company issued share at par or at premium. Okay? So in the starting of your chapter, some 3-4 questions are related to balance sheet. That prepare the company balance sheet. Okay? That we will do at last, when you will able to learn that total, what is the first call, final call, total money, then it will be easy to you. Okay? After that, some more questions are there also at the end related to balance sheet, that all together we will do. Okay? So first of all, we have started from question number 5th, that when company should share at par or at premium. Okay? So revise that question number 5th, 6th and 7th. Only 3 questions are there you have to do for today's homework. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day.